नमस्कार। मैं बलबीर कश्यप, बीओकॉम बीआरसी राजौंद कैथल हरियाणा भारत में एक नई जानकारी में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं, अभिनंदन करता हूं। जैसा आप सभी स्क्रीन पर देख पा रहे हैं, इस स्क्रीन के माध्यम से आपको कुछ एहसास जरूर हुआ होगा कि अभी की जो जानकारी होगी या अभी की जो वीडियो होगी उसमें हम क्या बात करने वाले हैं। बिल्कुल सही समझ रहे हैं आप। बैक टू स्कूल एजुकेशन, स्कूल। यहाँ इस वीडियो में हम लोग आउट ऑफ स्कूल स्टूडेंट या चिल्ड्रन कहिए आप, उनका एक बारे में जो कि डिपार्टमेंट से एक लेटर जारी हुआ है, आउट ऑफ स्कूल चिल्ड्रन का जो सर्वे होना है उसके बारे में बात करेंगे। तो चलिए जानते हैं अगला लेटर क्या है। वो ये आप देख पा रहे हैं, गाइडलाइन रिगार्डिंग कंडक्ट ऑफ सर्वे टू आइडेंटिफाई आउट ऑफ स्कूल चिल्ड्रन। मोस्ट अर्जेंट है, ये डेट बाउंड है। हरियाणा स्कूल शिक्षा परियोजना परिषद पंचकुला के माध्यम से 14 नवंबर 2023 को ये सभी एडिशनल डिप्टी कमिश्नर्स ऑफ हरियाणा, डिस्ट्रिक्ट एजुकेशन ऑफिसर्स हरियाणा, डिस्ट्रिक्ट एलिमेंट्री एजुकेशन ऑफिसर्स हरियाणा, all the district project coordinator Haryana, all the block education officer Haryana, the CEO Human People to People India NGO and the CEO अनुभूति NGO के को ये लेटर जारी किया गया था। सब्जेक्ट गाइडलाइन रिगार्डिंग कंडक्ट ऑफ सर्वे टू आइडेंटिफाई आउट ऑफ स्कूल या ड्रॉप आउट चिल्ड्रन फॉर द एकेडमिक ईयर 2024-25। ब्रीफ गाइडलाइन क्या है, चलिए जानते हैं। ऑन द सब्जेक्ट cited above, as you are aware that the primary goal of NEP 2020 the school system is to ensure that all the children are enrolled in schools and attending the schools regularly. The Department of School Education is striving hard to ensure the universal access and affordable opportunity to all the children to obtain quality education, but still we have not achieved the goal of 100% enrollment as mentioned in the RTE Act 2009. Several children who still remain out of school fall in the hardest to reach or the most vulnerable category are to be identified. There are pockets of exclusion from schools within local community with high presence of the population of SC and ST communities, street children, beggars, orphans, homeless children, migrant children, denotified, primitive tribal groups, etc. Hence, a survey will be conducted to identify the out-of-school dropout children for the academic year 2024-25. The detail regarding timeline and the strategy to be adopted to conduct this survey is as under. सीरियल नंबर, लेवल, ड्यूरेशन, डेट्स एंड रिमार्क्स। तो फर्स्ट सीरियल नंबर पे है लेवल, स्कूल लेवल है, जिसका समय है 9 डेज। डेट जो इसकी है 20/11/2023 से 28/11/2023। The education volunteer engaged under out of school children will conduct intensive survey in their areas and provide the list of out of school children to the school head after survey. The school head will provide the compiled list, hard and soft copies in the cluster head. सेकेंड लेवल क्लस्टर लेवल, जिसका जो समय रहेगा वो 2 दिन का रहेगा, 29/11/23 से 30/11/23 तक। The cluster head will compile the list of their cluster schools and provide the record and compile list, hard and soft copies to the BRC and BOs. थर्ड लेवल ब्लॉक लेवल, उसका भी समय 2 दिन रहेगा, 1/12/2023 से 2/12/2023 तक। द ब्लॉक हेड विल कंपाइल द लिस्ट ऑफ द क्लस्टर स्कूल्स अंडर देयर ब्लॉक एंड प्रोवाइड द रिकॉर्ड एंड कंपाइल लिस्ट हार्ड एंड सॉफ्ट कॉपी टू द DPCs ऑफ देयर कंसर्न डिस्ट्रिक्ट। फोर्थ जो इसका लेवल रहेगा वो डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल रहेगा, उसके लिए भी 2 दिन का समय है, 4/12/23 से 5/12/23 तक। The DPC will compile the list of the all blocks and submit the same to the headquarter as per the prescribed format provided by headquarter and keep whole record with their office for further reference and verification, etc. Now the modalities at various level will be as under. फर्स्ट इसमें डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल की बात कही गई है। The DPCs will arrange to hold a meeting under the chairmanship of the concerned ADC with the coordinators of the NGOs involved in the training of after school children, BOs, BRC, BWOs, cluster head, APCs, ABRC, education volunteers appointed under after school children, district coordinator, scouts and guides, district coordinator, NSS. The survey is to be conducted by the EVs, ABRCs, volunteer of scouts, guides, NCC, NSS, etc. in the areas pockets of the exclusion from schools with high presence of SC, ST, street children, beggars, orphans, homeless children, migrant children, denotified primitive tribal groups, etc. with the help of NGOs. But the school teacher will do the survey in the rest of the area, ensuring 100% coverage within the district. This survey will be conducted under the supervision of ADCs and the role and responsibilities along with the areas to be covered within that district will be decided accordingly. The DPCs will be the nodal officer to execute, monitor the survey and to collect the information received from all the blocks. Now block level, the BOs will be the nodal person for their blocks and will ensure the 100% coverage of the total area of the block. They will also certify that no out of school dropout children is left within his/her block. They will ensure the completion of the program within the timeline given above and send the compiled list hard and soft copy to the concerned DPC with stamp and signature. Number 3, cluster level. The cluster head will coordinate with all the school heads and allot the areas around each school considering the number of teachers working in the school. They will certify the 100% coverage of the total areas of the concerned cluster and identification of all out of school dropout children in that area. The BOs, BRCs and APCs will mentor and monitor the survey team and ABRCs will get verified the final survey data from the school head. The data will be finalized after its certification from Sarpanch, MC, SMC of the concerned school so that no out of school dropout children is left in that area. Now fourth number, school level. The school head will hold a meeting with the all educational volunteer engaged under out of school children, the volunteers of scouts, guides and NSS, teachers, SMC members, panchayat members, sarpanch, anganwadi workers, village nambardar and NGOs organization working in that area. The school head will allot the marked area decided by cluster head amongst the available survey team. The BO, BRC and APCs will mentor and monitor the survey team and ABRCs will get verified the final survey data from the school heads. The data will be finalized after its certification from Sarpanch, MC, SMC of school that no out of school dropout children is left in the area. EVs, education volunteers engaged under out of school children will do the survey of special pockets where either they are already working or where there is a maximum possibility of finding out of school children. Coordinators of Humanas and Anubhuti NGOs in MOU with HSSPP will support the EVs to identify out of school student in these special pockets. The role and responsibilities of various stakeholders and the field functionaries will be as under. School head. School head will hold a meeting with education volunteer engaged under out of school. The volunteer of Scout, Guide, NSS, SMC member, Panchayat member, Sarpanch, Anganwadi workers, village nambardar, education volunteer, and NGOs organizations working in the area. School head will also allot the market area decided by the cluster head among the school survey team. The teacher will take support to the Anganwadi workers and Panchayat member MCs of that area. Proportionate number of the teachers will be deputed according to the size of the area to be surveyed. Hence, services of teachers of other schools may be utilized wherever required. Education volunteer engaged under out of school children will do the survey of area near their respective special training center and special pockets with communities of the exclusion from schools with high percent of SC, ST, street children, orphans, homeless children, migrant children, notify primitive tribal groups, beggar groups, etc. Such as where either there are already working or there is maximum possible to out of school children for any type of query, guidance related to survey. School heads, teachers may contact DPC, APC, BRP, and ABRC. The attendance of the education volunteer engaged under out of school children during the survey will be verified by the school head, district coordinator of the NGOs associated with the program. The data will be finalized after its certification from Sarpanch, MC, SMC of a school that no out of school dropout children is left in that area. School head will take certificate from all teachers doing the survey that no out of school children is left in his allotted area and she will be responsible if survey is not conducted properly and out of school children are found there at a later stage. The school head will certify the list of identified out of school children and all children of ages 6 to 7 year will be admitted to the schools directly under the special head created for out of school children on MIS portal. The detail of such children will be filled in the proforma attached, whereas children between the age of 7 to 14 at elementary stage and 15 to 19 at secondary levels will be listed for the special training in the start of academic session 2024-25. The admission of these identified out of school children will be ensured in school by the school head under the same head created for OOSC on MIS portal, and the arrangements will be done to start special training centers STCTs for their special training during academic year 2024-25. School head will submit the same certificate to the cluster head according regarding 100% coverage of the area assigned to that school for survey. Cluster head will hold a meeting with all the school head and mark the area for each school considering the number of teachers working in the school. He will certify the coverage of total area of that cluster and identification of all the out of school dropout children in that area. Cluster head will create a WhatsApp group of all school head for dissemination of information update regarding filling up of the data of survey, and the school heads will also share their progress on daily basis. Cluster head will submit the compiled list to the office of the BOBRC within the prescribed time limit. BOBRC will hold a meeting with all the cluster head and ensure the marking of area for each cluster. They will certify the coverage of total area of that block, identification of the all out of school dropout children in that area. BOBRC will create a WhatsApp group of the all cluster head for dissemination of the information and update regarding filling up of the data of survey, and the cluster head will also share their progress on daily basis. BOBRC will submit the compiled list to the out of office of the DPC within the prescribed time limit. BO will ensure direct admission of out of school children 6 to 7 year identified during the survey under special head created for out of school children on MIS portal. The out of school children above 7 year will be though admitted under the same head in the start of session, but special training center will ensure for them in STCs. For district project coordinator, being the nodal officer, the DPC will initiate the program and arrange to assign duties to the survey team to cover all the areas of their respective district. The DPC will also identify the most populated belt of the out of school children in his her district and will direct the concerned BO/BRC to depute ABRC and EVs engaged under out of school children currently working in STCs. NGOs coordinator will be requested for their assistance for quality survey. DPC will collect school-wise duty chart from all the school head to confirm 100% coverage of area of the district. DPC will coordinate with DWOs and DOs to conduct the survey in their district. Duties regarding monitoring will be assigned to the all BOs, APCs, BRPs and ABR6 by the DPC to ensure timely completion of the survey. DPC will ensure that school head will submit the data of survey in a proper manner and as per the prescribed format within the time limit. DPC will create a WhatsApp group of the all school head for dissemination of the information related to the survey. BRP and ABRCs will mentor and monitor the teachers and education volunteers. The ABRCs will collect the final survey data from the school head. SIM MIS computer teacher will compile the list under the supervision of the cluster head. The data will be finalized after certification from school heads in that area. DOs and DWOs. The DOs and DWOs will ensure issues letter to the cluster head under their jurisdiction regarding the execution of the survey and will ensure the extensive monitoring of the survey and ensure the 100% coverage of out of school dropout children and providing the information of the same. DO/DWOs will also ensure direct admission of out of school children 6 to 7 year identified during the survey under special head created for out of school children on MIS portal. The out of school children above 7 year will be admitted under same head in the start of session, but special trainings will be ensured for them in special training center TCs. Uploading of the data on Prabandh portal. The school heads will be responsible for timely uploading of data on Prabandh portal as per the timeline. The service of MIS coordinator, computer teacher, vocational teacher, IT under NSQF may be taken for compiling the and uploading the data at various level. Format for survey. ये जो पत्र है ये 14/11/23 को जारी किया गया था. ये वर्ती DGSE मैडम कम स्टेट प्रोजेक्ट डायरेक्टर असीमा बराड़ जी के द्वारा भेजा गया था. सभी को ये प्रेषित है कॉपी. अब अगला जो स्टेप हमारा वो है, ये एक फॉर्मेट फॉर सर्वे रिगार्डिंग आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ आउट ऑफ स्कूल चिल्ड्रन टू बी फिल्ड बाय द डिस्ट्रिक्ट फॉर फाइनेंशियल ईयर 2024. तो ये चाहें तो स्कूल लेवल पे भी आप इसकी तैयारी कर सकते हो. इसी प्रकार से आप इस फॉर्मेट के अंदर अपना डाटा इकट्ठा करें, अपने क्लस्टर हेड को दें और क्लस्टर हेड पूरे क्लस्टर का कंपाइल करके अपने BO और BRC को ये हैंड ओवर करेंगे. इसके बाद सर्वे फॉर्मेट फॉर स्कूल STC लेवल. Following detail of each identified out of school children will be collected by the education teachers as per column given on Prabandh portal. तो सबसे पहले क्या है, नेम ऑफ चाइल्ड है. एंटर द नेम ऑफ चाइल्ड अप टू 60 कैरेक्टर मैंडेटरी. नेम ऑफ फादर, बच्चे के फादर का नाम एंट्री करना. नेम ऑफ मदर एंट्री करना. नेम ऑफ गार्जियन. प्लीज एंटर द नेम ऑफ चाइल्ड अप टू 60 कैरेक्टर. ये सब उसमें दिया हुआ है. एड्रेस ऑफ द चाइल्ड, मोबाइल नंबर, कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर ऑफ मोबाइल मदर फादर या गार्जियन या चिल्ड्रन जो भी जिसका भी अवेलेबल हो. यूनिक ID ऑफ चाइल्ड, स्टेट स्पेसिफिक इफ एनी, आधार नंबर इफ प्रेजेंट विल बी एडिड. नेक्स्ट जेंडर हो जाएगा बॉय गर्ल्स ट्रांसजेंडर. एज, एंटर द एज ऑफ द चाइल्ड. इज द चाइल्ड CWSN, ये भी कैटेगरी आपने सेलेक्ट करनी. कैटेगरी सिलेक्ट जनरल, SC ST OBC अदर. ये है. रिलीजन टाइप है नेवर एनरोल्ड ड्रॉप आउट, ये आपने लिखना उसके अंदर. लास्ट क्लास अटेंडेड. इफ द चाइल्ड इज ड्रॉप आउट काइंडली एंटर द लास्ट क्लास इन बिटवीन 1 से 8 इन केस ऑफ चिल्ड्रन child age was less than 14 year and enter class and where the child age was greater than 14 years. और लास्ट है अप्रोक्स पीरियड ऑफ ड्रॉप आउट इफ द चाइल्ड इज ड्रॉप आउट काइंडली एंटर द नंबर ऑफ द मंथ द चाइल्ड वाज ड्रॉप आउट फ्रॉम द स्कूल। तो ये जानकारी आपको प्रबंध पोर्टल पे भरनी है। ये परफॉर्मा आपको डाटा कलेक्शन के लिए करना है। ये परफॉर्मा है, ध्यान से देख लीजिए। इस परफॉर्मे पे आप जो है पूरी डिटेल भरेंगे अपनी, और बाकी गाइडलाइन तो आपके साथ साझा की जा चुकी है। तो आशा करता हूँ कि ये वीडियो आपको काफ़ी मदद करेगी और बहुत अच्छे से, बहुत अच्छे तरीके से, वेल मैनेज्ड, वेल प्लान करके हम इस सर्वे को पूरा करेंगे, जिसमें हम सबकी जिम्मेवारी है, सब स्टेक होल्डर इसमें, प्रिंसिपल साहब, हेड मास्टर साहब, क्लस्टर हेड, बीओ, बीआरसी, डीपीसी, डीओ, डीडब्ल्यूओज, एबीआरसी, बीआरपी और टीचर्स और वॉलंटियर। तो सभी इसमें की पूरी जिम्मेवारी है इस सर्वे को बहुत अच्छे से और बड़े ईमानदारी से पूरा करना। तो वीडियो को देखने के लिए, शेयर करने के लिए ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए ताकि सभी को ये गाइडलाइन अच्छे से पता चल जाए। वीडियो देखने के लिए और शेयर करने के लिए आप सबका हार्दिक धन्यवाद। थैंक यू वेरी मच।